This video shows you how to install your GPA easYSecurity alarm system. Start by unpacking your box. Your equipment includes a radio control unit, a motion detector, an intruder detector for the main access door, a remote control to activate and deactivate your alarm, connection cables, and an installation kit, Velcro screws. You will need a Phillips screwdriver. The first step of the installation is to connect the central unit. To do this, unscrew the 4 screws of the central unit with the Phillips screwdriver. Start by unscrewing the 2 upper screws and put them aside. Then, partially unscrew the 2 lower screws. These lower screws must remain attached to the central unit. Remove the front panel to access the connector slots. If you have a 3G or 4G SIM card, insert it into the slit provided for this purpose after deactivating the pin. Connect the white network cable, the transparent plug on the central unit side, and the white plastic plug on the internet box side. Put the battery switch in the on position by pushing the black button towards the bottom of the control panel. Connect the power cable. Carefully arrange the cables inside as shown in the diagram. Close the control unit by first inserting the box from the top into the notches provided for this purpose. Screw the box back on. Connect to the mains supply. After a few seconds, a steady orange light will come on. Continue the installation with the kit accessories. Motion detector. First, remove the tab from the motion detector to activate it. It will flash red. Attach the mounting bracket to the back of the detector to block the tamper switch. The signal light will go out. Place the detector on the wall at a minimum height of 1.8 meters and preferably in a corner of the wall near the access door or a passage area. You can also place it high up on a piece of furniture. Intruder detector. Remove the tab from the intruder sensor to activate it. Install the intruder sensor on your main access door. The sensor magnet on the sash, movable part, and the opening contact on the fixed jamb frame. Make sure that you place the 2 parts of the intruder sensor in the same alignment. If not, use the spacer provided. Position the magnet between the 2 markers of the opening contact facing it. Secure the opening contact with the Velcro strips and the magnet with the double-sided tape supplied in the kit. The 2 elements should be positioned no more than 1 centimeter apart. Activate your remote control by inserting the CR2032 battery provided. To finalize the installation of your equipment and carry out the connection tests, make an appointment with a GPA technician on 0800 806 800, who will contact you at the date and time you choose. Before your appointment, download the Smart HomeSec application to your smartphone. Finalize the operation of your alarm system with GPA by telephone. You are now prepared and protected by GPA.